Choosing healthy pots for cooking involves considering various factors such as material, coatings, and overall safety. Here are some tips to help you choose. 1. Material. Opt for pots made from non-toxic materials such as stainless steel, cast iron, glass, or ceramic. These materials don't leach harmful chemicals into your food. Absolutely opting for pots made from non-toxic materials is essential for ensuring healthy cooking. Let's delve a bit deeper into each of these materials. Cast iron cookware is renowned for its excellent heat retention and even heating properties. It's naturally non-stick when properly seasoned and can add small amounts of dietary iron to your food, which can be beneficial. However, acidic foods can cause it to react, so it's best to avoid long-term cooking of such dishes in cast iron. Stainless steel is a popular choice for cookware due to its durability, resistance to corrosion, and non-reactive properties. It doesn't leach any chemicals into your food, even when cooking acidic dishes. Look for pots made from high-quality stainless steel with a thick bottom to ensure even heat distribution. Glass. Glass cookware such as Pyrex is inert and non-reactive, making it a safe option for cooking. It's also microwave and oven safe. However, glass pots may not be as versatile as metal ones and may not distribute heat as well. Ceramic. Ceramic cookware is typically made from clay that's been fired at high temperatures. It's free from harmful chemicals and provides even heat distribution. Look for pots with a high-quality ceramic glaze to prevent scratching and ensure longevity. Copper pots provide excellent heat conductivity and a stylish appearance, but require regular maintenance and can be expensive. Non-stick coatings provide convenient cooking and easy cleanup. They reduce the need for excessive oil or butter, making meals healthier. However, they can wear off over time and may release harmful fumes if overheated. Granite pots feature a granite-like coating made from mineral particles and non-stick materials, offering convenient non-stick cooking. Choosing high-quality options from reputable brands and proper care ensure safety and longevity. Aluminum cookware can react with certain foods and potentially leach into your meals, especially when cooking acidic or highly alkaline foods. If you do use aluminum, make sure it is anodized or coated to prevent direct contact with food. If you're seeking additional details on selecting healthy pots for cooking, explore our comprehensive guide on Princess Home. Thank you for watching.